Good morning, everyone. This time we have come with a challenge that consists of baking a cake with ingredients shown on the screen. And the participants will be deprived of one ability, such as seeing, hearing, and speaking. Now, without further ado, let's begin.
It smells good.
No, what? This is gonna be a failure.
Well, for this recipe, first we need a cup of milk.
And where's the milk?
It splashed on me. The milk?
Well, first they add the bottle. Give it to her. Add the bottle, Andrea. Now add a cup of milk.
Damn it, a cup.
I can do it. That's it.
Ready? Damn, how much? Do I add it now?
3 eggs.
3 eggs. Why? Who is gonna crack them? This gonna be Dana.
What?
Let Dana do it. Or do I do it? Dana, you are making a little hole in them, right? No, why me? If I fear for my life? Do I have to crack it? Damn, where do I put it? I can see. Ready? Where are you putting them? On the eggs? The eggshells.
Now we need to add the chocolate flow. Ooh, it smells good.
I smell nothing, I smell nothing. I'm hearing you.
Wow.
Well, while Dana does that, I think Nothing. Used it too. I don't know how to use it. So, Dana? No? Damn. You're neither. Well, none of you strict know how to use it. This is gonna be a failure. And now, what's next? What's next? What's next? What's next?
Now
That's
we
it?
have to put at 150 degrees in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Now, while the oven is, I mean,
The what? The what?
I can focus. While the cake is in the oven, we are gonna do the first thing.
Defrosting? I don't know how to make defrosting.
We need 150 grams of jam.
Where? Here? Here.
Now a cup of whipped cream. Wait, it's a 250 grams of Philadelphia.
This doesn't open.
Let me see.
What?
What's that? I don't understand. Dana, how about you tell Anai? So Anai can tell me. The vanilla one?
A cup.
Of what? What?
What?
What?
That if we are going to keep adding up the vanilla? Ah, yes, I think so. I didn't see the big bowl of vanilla. I'm gonna add this. Wow, I thought this was gonna be hard.
Stop laughing! Get respect because I can see. Because an eye can hear and then I can speak. So, look at they can insult me when I can feel her breathing of frustration. And an eye is, how is it say? Oblivious to everything.
Whipped cream. It doesn't go down. Now, 250 grams of Philadelphia.
That's great! Bravo!
Now, we only have to whisk. It smells burnt.
Yes, that's what I was telling you.
Well, I don't know. I have the flu. Don't listen to me.
Aren't you gonna slice it in half to add the jam?
The knife. The cream. Ah, but we were gonna slide it to put in the middle of the jam that we don't have. But
That's
we're gonna
what I
do that.
say. Yeah.
We have to get it out. Ah, right, update. It's black.
I told him.
Should be a boy.
Right, since you can't attack to you,
So later we can unify it
like
with
a
this thing.
hamburger, right? Well, and I doesn't hurt.
The first thing is horrible. Let her do it. She needs to be independent. It's horrible.
Is it edible? Who is it? Is it?
I think it could have eaten up worse. But it's okay.
Well, if Anna says that, it's because she's trying.
Well, that's it. We finished that thing. It's horrible. But I think we did it right. Obviously, we aren't going to give none of this to our family.